How does the Hormuz Strait closure increase U.S. inflation risks in 2026? As the shutdown hits 4 months, chemical supply chains tighten, pushing prices higher and threatening your cost of living now. The closure of the crucial Hormuz Strait has severely disrupted the flow of chemicals used in U.S. manufacturing and agriculture. ICIS reports that chemical companies reliant on Middle Eastern exports face shortages and rising costs. These supply disruptions pressure producers to raise prices, which ripple through industries from plastics to fertilizers. The longer the closure continues, the sharper these shortages become, worsening inflation risks in the U.S. economy. The Strait of Hormuz is a strategic choke point for 20% of the world's oil supply. With its closure extending into the 4th month, crude oil prices have surged. Higher oil prices directly increase transportation and production costs in the U.S., which then push consumer prices higher. This dynamic creates a direct inflationary effect, heightening risks of sustained U.S. inflation well into 2026. U.S. manufacturing depends heavily on chemicals imported through the Hormuz Strait for producing plastics, fertilizers, and other materials. Agriculture also relies on these chemicals for crop yields. As supply tightens and prices climb, these sectors experience increased costs, which are often passed on to consumers. This sector-specific pressure contributes significantly to overall inflation risk tied to the Hormuz disruption. The prolonged closure of the Hormuz Strait is not a short-term shock, but an ongoing crisis. ICIS warns the 4th month of closure increases risks of entrenched inflation in the U.S. Persistent supply chain disruptions mean companies may continue raising prices, making inflation stickier and harder to control. This raises concerns for economic policymakers and consumers alike. Analysts suggest that without resolution at Hormuz, U.S. inflation risks will persist through 2026. Companies may face continued cost pressures, and consumers could see higher prices in everyday goods. Policymakers will need to monitor this closely to mitigate inflation's impact on the economy and households. The situation remains fluid, with significant global economic consequences. What this means for you is clear. The ongoing Hormuz Strait closure is driving up costs for everyday products through rising oil and chemical prices. This could hit your wallet with higher prices at the pump and grocery store. Staying informed helps you prepare for inflation's impact. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for urgent updates on this developing economic story.